Hi everyone, I'm Honghan Wu, Associate Professor at University College London. I'm a computer scientist doing health data science. In this short video, I will answer the question, how do we use free text data in phenotypes? I'm going to address this topic in two ways. First, why is free text health data important for healthcare? Second, how can computational methods help us make use of them? In a clinical context, the term free text data refers to the information that is gathered in natural writing, such as outpatient letters or nursing notes, as opposed to selecting from preset options such as tick boxes. Let's start with the first question.